Hello friends, welcome to my channel IIT-JEE Physics Classes. Download Unacademy Learner App. Here is class 10th Bootcamp is going on. Today is the date 2 on 21st December and here is the list of sessions of physics, maths and chemistry topics going on, and you can join these sessions and learn and get benefited. All India mock test series for JEE 2022. Here, if you participate in this mock test series, you will get All India JEE rank, and this way you can predict your AIR rank. These questions are curated based on JEE pattern. Edge batch for class 11th, Striker batch for JEE preparation, and Excellence 2.0 batch for class 11th for JEE preparation. You can subscribe to these batches. These batches will prepare whole course in 4 months. And here is the iconic subscription offer. If you buy 6 months, you will get 1 month free. If you buy 18 months, you will get 2 months free. And participate in Unacademy Champions League and win mega prizes. The aptitude test for UCL on 26th December 1 p.m. onwards. You can enroll now using the invite code ARTIRT21. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video with your friends.